Hi there, students. A hospice. A hospice. Okay, a hospice is a place that looks after terminally ill people, particularly people with cancer who are going to die. And a hospice is a place that looks after people who are at the end of their life. And I think a hospice is very different from a hospital. Yes, in a hospice a person does have some health care, but the focus is on the patient's needs, the patient's emotional needs. It prioritizes comfort and quality of life, and it reduces, they do everything they can to reduce pain and suffering. A hospice doesn't focus on things that will prolong life, that may be difficult and unpleasant. A hospice tries to they prioritize the comfort, the quality of life, and the wishes of the individual. So a hospice, it's a good place to die. Let's see. The first hospices originated in the 11th century, and they were dedicated to caring for the people who were ill and dying on their pilgrimage to the Holy Land. And then we've got the hospice movement, and this is something that has been evolving. And the modern hospice, it's looking at palliative care for incurably ill people. It's something that works perhaps alongside a hospital, but a hospital can be quite a difficult place to be, particularly if you're having various different treatments. But when you get to the point where you say, okay, it's time for me to die, then a hospice is a very good place to do it. Okay, so a hospice, a program that gives palliative care and attends to the emotional and spiritual needs of terminally ill people, and this can either be in the nursing home itself or in the patient's own home, because I think it would be nice to die in your own home. Okay, so a hospice, a place for the terminally ill. It comes from French, and then from Latin, hospitum or hospitium, hospitality or an inn. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hospice, a hospice.